So brakes. Why do we need brakes? Now that the wagon's running 12 O's at almost 120 miles an hour, traps at like 95 in the 8th mile, I figured it was a good time to probably put brakes on the car. So you can see a quick redo of the front brakes with the Wilwood calipers on those Toyota Highlanders. Here we're showing the brand new calipers as it came out of the box. 4-piston Wilwood. Here is the send cut send parts I had designed. The idea is these 3-inch long 3/8 bolts will go into those slots to make sure that they're parallel to each other and also perpendicular to the mounting surface. Make sure everything stays square to the world. Here they are all welded up with the washers to index the caliper to the right height. Here is the caliper brackets bolted together onto the spindle. And then here we go with the caliper and rotor all assembled onto the spindle. Give you an idea of what that's going to look like. So 12.9-inch rotor with these Wilwood calipers. And then here is the wheel installed with the rotor and the caliper. Alright, so here we go for parts. Set Chrysler rotor, 12.6-inch. Wilwood caliper. Send cut send bracket. Bolts for here. Some washers in case you gotta space it. The adapter to convert 1/8-inch MPT to 10mm banjo. And so we got this jacked up and we get this torn apart. Alright, so real quick, caliper bracket goes on using the original bolts. And then next we'll hang the rotor and drop the caliper on there and see where we're at. Alright, so here we go. Calipers on there. Pads are loose because there's no fluid or anything yet. Looks good. On the back side, still got to do the brake line, but all of that's there. Looks good. Alright, so this driver's side's now put together. Got the brake line ran and all that. So we're going to go ahead and pull those lugs off, put the wheel on, see what it looks like. Alright, so we got the wheel back on. The way the caliper mounts, I had to loosen it up and turn it upright so I could bleed the brakes properly, but it seems to be working well. So the rears and then the fronts. So drove it to work back last 2 days. Works really well. Stops really good. Might have to add a proportioning valve to the back because the backs will lock up if you get up on the brakes too far. But all in all, it's working really well. So we'll see how this goes. So the great theologian Superfast Matt once said, "It used to be that you had to impress people to get people to watch your videos. Now you just have to impress the algorithm." Hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks.